Headless body found inside pit in Trelawney. Relatives killed in Westmoreland crash. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Trelawney police are investigating the circumstances surrounding the discovery of a headless body in the parish on Monday morning. A senior police source confirmed the ghostly discovery but could not provide further details. The body was reportedly spotted in a pit by a farmer who was on his way to his farm in the Allside community. An alarm was raised, and on the arrival of the police, the headless body was removed from the hole after the scene was processed by the investigators. Two members of a b0dy Westmoreland family died as a result of injuries they sustained in a motor vehicle collision on the 3 Mile River Main Road on Monday, December 9. Dead are 21-year-old Omario Brown and Javel Brown. According to reports from the Frome Police, about 1:40 a.m., Omario was driving a Toyota Axio motor car along the roadway with Javel aboard. Detectives stated that initial investigations indicate that Omario lost control of the vehicle, which ran off the road and hit an ackee tree. The police and firefighters were summoned to the scene. Firefighters cut both men from the wrecked vehicle. The men were transported to hospital where they were both pronounced dead on arrival.